experience overall, and I got a lot of information here.
આજે હું અહીંયા K7ના એક્સપોમાં આવેલી છું. મારી ડોટર માટે આવી છું. US માટે એને માસ્ટર કરવા જવાનું છે, એના માટેનો આ અમારો એક્સપિરિયન્સ ખૂબ સારો રહ્યો.
It's a very well organized fair with a lot of footfall of students. The students are highly interested and know exactly what they are looking for. It was an absolute treat to meet all the members of K7 who are so sweet and so helpful.
I am opting for a master course in USA, and this was a very fantastic experience for us. It is very nice organizing, and we met every universities we wanted to go, so it's very nice.
Where I have met more than 100 potential students.
I'm so happy while looking at the quality of the student. We have a huge crowd of students. They are coming here with the specialized program, the university they want to go for. They are really quality and they are really inspired to study abroad in a good ranked institute. All thanks to K7 and their counselors for making it happen that I can meet this many students. Thank you.